No way. Black Forest, Cuckoo Clocks, and Guess. Are you shitting me? Oh, I gotta go in there. Cloak wands, potions, and brooms. What is that, a Harry Potter store? No way.
Okay.
Oh. Wow.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
I gotta make sure I'm getting it. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
Is that what time you close?
Time I leave.
Okay. I was just looking at the times on them and going, they should all be at the real time, so every day. Yeah.
No, I know.
No?
Which one do you want to see?
It would get to your mind after a while, right? Hmm.
Very cool.
Nice. Thank you. My mom had a bird chirping one that I used to hate with a passion, but that's at a nice volume. I like that.
They fake the noise with a parabella. Your mother might have had one
A
that
tacky thing, you know, the birds every hour.
had a.
You couldn't sleep in that house. I don't. I preferred sleeping in my car there, actually. Oh my. Right, and is there more? There's steins? Oh, I need more birthday presents, but I don't. Oh, maybe. That is. Oh, wait, hey. Fix that. Oh my. I did not expect there to be such craft stuff here. Oh, look. Oh.
Here you can get Kelly. You can get these for Whitey next year. This isn't really for shops next year.
Schnitzels. Oh my god, they have garlic bologna, goulash soup, crackling fat. Yeah, it's like. I'm gonna do a bratwurst. We do.
Yes, we were here. Oh, look at that thing.
It is part of the Santa lore in the Bavarian world, isn't it? Yeah.